Hello guys, hope you are doing great. So in this video, I am going to talk to you about the right way of doing your keyword research. So if you're selling on Amazon right now, then you exactly know how hard it is to find the right keywords to put on your product listing. Like going into the search tab and searching manual keywords like the next term, it's not going to work, and it doesn't work like that in long term. And if you are an old seller, then you already know that it is impossible to find the exact keywords for which your competitor is getting sales for, unless you have the access to a paid software tool or you get access to brand analytics. And even a lot of software tools do not give you the access to search volume, like the keyword search volume, which is the main thing you need. Because if you don't know which keywords are actually responsible for the sales, and it might happen that without knowing the search volume, you may find those keywords and target those keywords and put those keywords in your listing which are not even responsible for getting a single sale for that product. Because there might be a lot of keywords that the competitor's product is getting indexed for, and those keywords are not actually relevant for sales. That is, they're not actually converting that product to sales. So you need to filter down all those bad keywords and find those keywords those are actually responsible, and those have actually sales volume and search volume, and those are actually responsible for giving sales to that particular product. And that is what we are going to do in this video. So in this video, we are going to first select a product, then we are going to search the keywords for this product, and we are then going to find out the exact keywords that are responsible for giving sales to this particular product. Now we are going to find those keywords which have high sales search volume, and we are going to find those keywords that are responsible for sales only because we can target those keywords in our PPC during launch and put those keywords in our backend, so that the listing that we are creating will get indexed for that particular keyword. Because unless our listing gets indexed for those keywords, even we put that keyword with high bid in our PPC campaigns, our PPC campaigns wouldn't give any cost per click or any click to those keywords. Even though you are bidding super high for that, your keywords wouldn't get any impression or click, just because your listing isn't getting indexed for that particular keyword. Then we are going to analyze how the competition is through analyzing how many of these competitors have their keywords ranked in the first page. And we'll also check whether the last competitor that we have selected as our reference product is getting indexed for all the keywords or not. And then we will also show how to create an optimized listing with all the keywords that we have find in order to push our product for the keywords, and in order to get our product's listing getting indexed for all those keywords, all those relevant keywords, so that when we launch our product through PPC, all those keywords should get indexed for our particular product. And when customer searches all those keywords, our product should come up on the search result. That is what indexing means. As a result, those campaigns won't work for you, as you will get no clicks since your product isn't coming for the search result. Even you bid super high for those keywords, and which means you lose the opportunity to get sales. So let's jump to my computer and show you how to do that.
So here I am inside Helium 10's black box. It is considered as the most powerful product research tool. So I will be using this to find products and then validating those, and then finding keywords. For finding keywords, we will be using some advanced method from Cerebro, and then we will be also checking the indexing of our competition, how our competitors are indexed for, and how to put those keywords in our particular listing in order to get indexed for all the ranked keywords. So for this, I use a few filters. I generally go in product section, not in keyword section. Now, I personally do not care about this monthly revenue. I generally set the price to be around, let's do it 1500, let's do it 1000. Minimum price. Review count, I generally do not actually take care of review that much, because the amount of bundling and differentiation I do, my product generally stands out, even though my competition has a lot of reviews. So let's put this review as 1500 to be max, because I have personally competed with this amount of reviews, 1000 reviews. So I still can achieve good ranking, even though the top competitor has reviews. Now, the other thing I actually look for is in the advanced filter. So minimum sales, let's do it 200, because we may find some high priced product. Now here the BSR, let's look for car and motorbike. And for car and motorbike, generally BSR, let it be less than 5000. So our maximum will be 5000. And others, I do not actually take that attention. And here you can see the number of sellers you can do as one or two maximum, because you don't want to compete with the particular products that have multiple sellers selling on the same listing. Then we do search and it will find products for us. So it is how easy to find products. Now it is suggesting products with high sales volume, if you can see. Then So this product, you see, we have also found this product on our last research, last video, if you have assumed. Now we are looking for some higher number of sales also, but this price point is quite good. We'll take this in consideration. We can come back and research on this product. Let's go to the second page. Now the real magic begins on the second, third, fourth pages. I am looking for some unique type of product that can I easily on which I can easily differentiate and bundle. Kind of big. I now kind of look for big products because whole market is full of small products and there is a good opportunity in big products. And since I generally prefer shipping by sea, so that big bulkiness doesn't really matter for me. So it is showing so much products, you see, and so easily we're getting so much results. So here you see the same type of product, but here it is so much high sales. So let's open this product up and let's see the product. So this is actually the product. The price is 1,999. And if you go back, now the BSR is so good, you see. Now we will try to find out some more products like this so that we have a good idea of competition. Now you will get some products which share multiple subcategories. Now these all are due to helium 10. Now I choose products based on the BSR which has a good BSR because I am going to find some keywords from their listing also. Now I generally choose your 8 to 9 products to have a good idea for your keywords. Now, since I got 8 to 9 competition, now what we do is we go to helium 10, and here we will use a tool called Cerebro. Now you have noticed I have gone through the best sellers and find out the same type of products, mainly the competitors. But I have chosen only those whose BSRs are quite good. Like here you see 765. This BSR, if you go and check, it is around 1,000. These are considered good BSRs. It is 1,000. So related and close BSRs, it is 1,300. It is also 1,700. It is also 3,000. It is also your 3,700 in home and kitchen, which is considered very good. Now I know they have kind of little bit different in their categories, but maybe that category is Amazon might change their categories, and Amazon does do that few times, and you have to request them to change the category back again by showing some reference products that are on the main category. And changing category can lose your ranking in various keywords and even lose the opportunity to be indexed for that particular keywords. So now what we'll do is, this is our main product. So what we have to do is we have to basically copy the A sign, and we will use Cerebro here. I have selected Amazon.in. Then we will do paste all the A sign. Now first A sign would be your main product, the top seller, because all the things will be showed based on this first product and in reference to this first product. You will understand as I go on in this video. Let's select the other A signs, and that will be after the top seller. Let me just quickly copy paste all the A signs, all the 9 A signs. Now, once I have copied all of that, so let's remove this listing. It is 3000 in car and motorbike, because in Helium 10 there is an option to add only 9. So let's remove this one that has 3000. So the A sign is WDC, P078 WDC. And copy the last A sign since it wasn't copied due to space constraint. Oh, it is already here. Yeah, this one was that. We missed this. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think we are missing some one. We have this 7JH, then X3, JX3, then M3R, then we have NLR. NLR is also KSV. KSV is also here. Then it is NSD. NSD is also there. Then it is your WDC. WDC is also here. Then your 63Q. It is also there. Then this one is same NQT. So the NQT is not here. Let's do that. No, we have deselected that because it has not a good rank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are getting 8 competition. Let's do it with 8 only. Now what I do is I go and search for your get keywords. Now it is showing here, you see 15,700 keywords, but now we are going to filter it down. So the minimum search volume I prefer is 300, because 300 is generally calculated as a sale in a day or the other day. So it is generally considered as a sale in per day or per 2 days. So, and other I do not, word count I'll do 1, and match tag will be organic. Let's do advanced filters here. Sponsored rank, I do not actually change anything here. Now ranking comparison, I would like at least 2 ranking comparison for that particular keyword. Other thing, I do not change anything. Then let's do apply. Now you see the keyword changed to 826. So I will quickly download the keywords from at the top. You see export. I will do CSV. Yeah, let's download it. So let's open it up. Now I prefer this data to be in Google Sheet because there it represents the data good, like it seems good there. So just copy and then I'll open Google Sheet here. And paste all my data here. It will take a little bit time to paste all those data. So all data pasted. Now what we'll do is we'll delete few columns that we don't need, like this one. And so this particular ASIN is ranked for 94% of the keywords in the first page. And that is why it is getting the highest sales and the best seller. And if you go and see, this one is ranked for 54% of the keywords, 35%, 76. Now, why I'm getting this percentage is basically, now if the percentage is below 60 to 50%, then it will be very easy to compete with that particular product. And the more you see the numbers below your 50% or 60%, the more easier it will be to beat that particular product. I will generally mark this in a different color. I learned this from that international seller. Now, if you are in my inner circle, you would know the name of the seller from which I learned this method. And 54% is okay. 76% I will mark it also in orange, because it will be hard for us to compete with this in the initial stage. But I have some options from which you can compete, obviously, with those, some differentiation methods. Now, this will be very easy to compete with. These competitors will be very easy to compete with. I will mark that as green. And the more green competitors are there, the more easy it will be for us to launch in that particular market. Now, you may say how to beat these sellers, because they are getting the majority of the sales. But these are also getting sales, the green ones. So for beating these competitions, this 95% who is ranked this ASN and this ASN, we will generally do bundling and differentiation. And that is how we are going to compete with this, because we can't compete in ranking wise. We have to lose so many in ad spend and getting sales in order to rank for this. But we do a different way. We do not rank by losing money here. We generally try to rank by providing a better product than the particular ASN. Now, there are ways like doing rebates, like selling your product at a high price for that particular keyword and rank for all these keywords. Or you can do a better product and simply do product targeting and PPCs that we use, and just come before this product. The customers that are looking in this product listing, just come before them with a greater and a higher value product. Maybe during the launch time with a lower price, then you will also have a greater chance to rank for all these keywords. Now, I have also a masterclass in which I teach exactly how to differentiate and bundle. So here you see how I have actually found this particular uh, A science that and the keywords. So this A science is ranking for 94% of the keywords that are have a large sales volume for which they are getting sales. And this particular product is ranked for 54% of all the keywords that are giving sales. And this is ranked for 76%. Now you know how much keywords are actually driving these sales. So this is a very cool method that I use to identify the competition and validating the product and the different and the competitions. So if you want to know how I actually come with these numbers and how I got the keywords here, then you can join my masterclass on product research and bundling. I'll try to have the link on the description. So these keywords, now what we will do is I now here I also came up with this relevancy, and this is the main metrics we are using. Now I use a special formula to get the relevancy, and if you join my masterclass, I show exactly how I found this and these numbers. So now what we'll do is we'll simply copy. Now we know that what are the good keywords for our listing. Now we simply copy those keywords, Control C. And now what we will do is we'll check my competitor and how good they are indexed for. Let's create a demo listing for us. Now listing optimization we will do here. Now let's first check whether my competition, now let's do for this A sign. So these are the keywords and we will check for how many of these keywords this particular A sign is indexed for. Indexing means if some customers goes and search the keyword, then this particular product should come. And if it doesn't come, that means that particular product is not indexed for that particular keyword that the customer is searching for. So for checking indexing, what we'll do is go to index checker. And then we will copy the keywords here. Then we will also go and copy, let's take this or this one. And here the A sign. Then we'll do check keywords. Now it will then check and show you exactly how many of this for how many of these keywords this particular product is not getting indexed for. Let's wait to let it run and then we'll download the data. Then we will export the data and then we'll filter down in which they are not indexed for. Now it is the data if you are seeing here. So these are the data. Now what we'll do is we'll apply filter on this. And then no, this is not the, so this is our, so this is the data we have downloaded. And now we will apply filter on this. And now we will only check for which they are not getting indexed. So here you see for so many keywords, it is not getting indexed for, not even indexing for this particular keywords. And they are losing sales for this particular keywords. Because we have seen that all these keywords have a search volume of more than 300, which means they are responsible for 1 or 2 sales. So now this is the total average of all this. So these are so many keywords it is not getting indexed for. So that we have to consider and we have to make sure we actually try to list all these keywords and in our listing, stuff all the keywords in our listing so that our product can get indexed for. Now we will try to create a dummy listing. For that, what we will do is we'll go to Scribbles. First, we will choose our marketplace and then paste all the keywords here. All the keywords here. From here, we'll copy all the keywords from here. Now we'll actually search for our top competitor and try to actually copy his. Now what we will do is we will try to find our top competitor and try to find his listing and copy its listing. Now let's copy the title. Now you see, when we put the title, some keywords are getting crossed out. That means they are used in this particular title. So they should be, they are using this keyword. Now we'll copy the bullet points. Now for bullet points, there are specific things to note, like only the first 1,000 characters are going to be indexed. So if you put keywords after those 1,000 characters, combining all the bullet points, then there will be some non-indexing of the keywords that you put after those 1,000 keywords. Now this your bullet points are obviously not very good. Now we have seen a lot of keywords are used, but still there are few unused. So what we'll do is we'll copy those unused keywords and use it in here in the search term field. Now you see all the keywords are now put in our listing, and now our product will be actually indexed for all these keywords because we have used all those keywords. Now for indexing, you can use in phrase format, but it is better to use in single word, then you will get indexed for all those keywords. And if you target in PPC, and you will still get indexed for all these phrases also. So this is how I will create my particular listing, because this subject matter field is not available in every categories. So now I will construct like this, and I know now that almost all keywords will be indexed. So here you see all keywords are actually in their listing because we have actually copied the top sellers descriptions and copy. So they have used all the keywords in the listing there, and it is a good optimized product listing. So this is how you can use few tools in Helium 10 to actually get so much data and launch so much perfect product. So yeah, that's the session for today. And if you want to use Helium 10, then I have a coupon code for you guys. You can actually go to the description and get a 50% off on your first month when you use my coupon code.
So hope you guys love that. And if you guys want 50% off coupon code for your Helium 10 for the first month, then you can get the link in the description and the coupon code. Link will be below in the description. So I'll see you guys in the next video.